Want to specify what type of relationship you are looking for? Here's how to add your relationship type on Tinder. First, open the Tinder app and tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner. Now, tap on the edit icon located around your profile picture. Scroll down a little until you see relationship goals section. Once you find it, tap on looking for. Here you can specify whether you are interested in dating or long-term relationship, friendship or something else. Choose the option that best describes what you are looking for and tap save. Now people who see your profile will know your intentions. If your preferences does not update, try restarting the app or logging out and back in. And that's it. Your Tinder profile now reflects what you are looking for. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.